Hey guys, Daniel Gourley here with 5 Words Media, and I am super excited because we have another Tech Talk coming to you, and today we are talking all things audio with our friends at Sennheiser. So I have in front of me a multitude of items. I'm very excited because what we have here going on is the Sennheiser EWD digital wireless unit, and I actually have a demo that is here with both the lavalier body pack microphone setup, and I also have a handheld transmitter as well as the single channel receiver unit here. So let's talk real quick. What is up with the whole digital thing, right? When it comes to wireless microphones, we have had analog wireless for the longest time, and now the digital wireless revolution is here. And what's cool about this is you can pack the same amount of information, that analog wireless connection, in a much smaller footprint. And what I mean by that is, in a traditional analog wireless system of this dollar amount, we would be lucky if we could get 10, maybe 12 wireless microphones all in the same bandwidth, all online at the same time. But through the wonders of digital, and because that footprint is so small, the EWD wireless evolution system from Sennheiser is showing that we can get 90 channels. Like, there's 90 different channels to choose from, and getting 12 units of wireless in that single bandwidth, that's not a problem anymore. We have space and places to do it. So very, very excited about this system and setup. Also excited about the price point. So this guy is coming in right around $699 if you get a handheld plus the single channel unit, or if you get the body pack and wireless lavalier system. They have options that used to only be available in premium wireless solutions, which is this dockable little charging kind of bay for your rechargeable batteries. We also have a full suite of amazing like little antenna splitters and combiners and antenna systems. So if you are interested in looking at Sennheiser as an option, we have an amazing demo kit that we can pack up to you, and you can actually play around with it and you can hear the clarity of this system. If you want to know more about Sennheiser and especially this EWD system, we're going to actually do a couple of other videos because there's so much more. We literally have applications that allow you to access it remotely and tune it and program it. So we're going to talk about that in another video. But if you're on the fence at all, you need to pick up the wireless EWD microphone system from Sennheiser. So reach out to us at sales@5wordsmedia.com today, and we can put together a package for you and get you started in this amazing new digital wireless world. See you next time.